Captain's up here drinking a beer. I don't know what's going on in this shoot. What's up, everybody? It's about 9 a.m. I am headed to the airport right now. We are flying out to Nassau. Been a little while since we've been to the Bahamas. Heading over there to shoot a boat for Marine Video Production. It's about a 70 or 80 foot boat. Not fully sure about the details. We'll see when we get there, but we're doing the full charter video. Nothing crazy with the models and stuff, but we're going to be using some of the deckhands, and they have water toys, taking the boat out, all the usual stuff we got get out there in the Bahamas. So it's just a 1 hour plane flight headed to the airport right now, and I will see you guys in Nassau. Arrived here in Nassau. We are at the Bay Street Marina. Look at this Bahama blue water. That's why we're here. It's a sunny day. I hear it's a little windy, so we'll see what we do with that situation. It's about 2 p.m. walking to the boat right now. We have plenty of time to get it done. We've gotten all the exterior shots, pretty much all the safety stuff, everything set up. Nothing with the stage stuff, because that's what we're going to do for sunset. Got some running shots with the drone, the Phantom, and with the FPV drone. Some pretty cool shots with the little island back there flying through the palm trees. It was pretty dope. We're actually anchored next to another little island over here, and I'm sort of envisioning a shot with the dinghy that we have here, leaving the beach, and then the FPV drone coming through this bridge over here, kind of like a end-of-day lifestyle shot, because it's almost sunset right now. So we'll see if we can make that happen. Otherwise, we're going to shoot the stage stuff, outdoor kind of twilight scenes, dinner sort of scenes, and do all the fun stuff with the water toys tomorrow, set up somewhere nearby. It's sunrise here on day 2 in Nassau. So we didn't actually come out to shoot sunrise because, as predicted, there were clouds on the horizon and we pretty much would have wasted our time. But the sun has risen and it's stuck behind these clouds now. We're gonna head out and head west because the winds are gonna be incredibly strong today, and waves and all that stuff. So our original plan to go this direction to the east is not really gonna work out. We're gonna go the opposite way, where we did shoot a boat, the Carrie Eileen, I believe, a while back. And it was like a little cove area, and we just need to find a calm place to anchor off and take the water toys out and get some cool shots, drone shots, and all that stuff. So stay tuned. we have just wrapped up the final running shots. We did one run with the Phantom, one with the FPV, got some really sick shots coming really low to the bow of both boats actually, and pretty much redid what we did in the morning because it wasn't really the best sunrise. Like I said, the sun is out now, so you know just how it goes. As soon as we finish, we get the beautiful weather. But overall, great shootout here in Nassau, and I will see you on the next one.